Welcome to the Expressive and Painterly Portrait class in acrylic paints. I talk you through and show you step by step how I painted this portrait. First, we will start painting these pink peonies. Then I'll show you my painting process from the skin, eyes, lips, hair, ribbon, and clothes. My pixie portraits wouldn't be complete without some sparkle, so I add some crystal earrings with my stay-on-proof method for applying crystals to artwork. You will learn about all the supplies I use to paint like a pro. I show you my tricks and tips during the painting process with acrylic paint. This is an intermediate painting project, but if you want to start painting with acrylic paint or want to learn more about how to paint with acrylic paint, this is also a good project to get you started. I also provide the line art of this exact portrait so you can trace onto canvas or paper and paint along with me. This project is not for anyone who wants to learn how to paint a realistic portrait in realistic skin tones and colors. But if you like this expressive, painterly, and somewhat whimsical style, you may enjoy seeing how I created this portrait in acrylic paints. This is truly a feminine piece, from pink peonies to ribbons in the hair to crystals. Welcome to the Painting a Painterly Portrait with Crystals class.